actually akɔhwɛ deɛ woka no because ɔno aka sɛ yɛmmra medi nti ɛbɛba bɛhwɛ ɛbɛdi akyiri aba bɛhwɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa we go to the police station and so request for
me dem were concerned the issue of say aban normal ana ene ka no say official edibekwa akotu ne fie ni de say e wo say eja side no because nti udi kosi wo fie na sebio ye mompa esesa besi na akonfo ebewia 87.9
Kumasi
wanka e wo say assembly new assembly na yesi ama omo e wo so omo storeroom me gidi pan say because enim say bi was kwa say similar one na yesi ama Atwima Kwawonma enti e ya omo storeroom empo say ade no adosu in SSA e wo say assembly na nkasa no omo wo ba bia so ombe rent o anytime anoma be ba e be brosu ni enim say aha e na egu dan say ye de be kwa akogu whether MC fio whether coordinating director fio and they wrong
FM 87.9
Kumasi these are some of the things because obi enya information say fertilizers egu coordinating director fie e true e possible say ade no wi ai or the akoto am of mine no but enye right say ye be ma o mine eja pade no e ya edi kofi ye kra e wo aha media generals private station aje once in a while say maybe eno kra no e ya anya advisable camera company property ye mfa say bibi ti say camera na eyim untimi mfa nkosifi
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
eba ho no omo be fa government and our company no be hold responsible enti oba company na ye obabi a sa no mani na no ye be store agi maybe your personal area obetimi e de akofi e na say true nso say fertilizers e wo ama na expire na che say normal na egu wa che and your kroma over the past few months I twemu yenim challenger farmers omu femu eba se omu be timi access fertilizer
ebi o sometimes 87.9
omu be ma justification so the eba no na no so nti omu pe say the full set na the full complement ne beba no omu timi achi ama farmers no but say expiring date ho na ehun so ni na enya mma by kakra na eba no time na akwa na ekọ enche be expire adenti na release ma maybe this set of farmers no mu de hu say asort to omo afiri ho na new set of fertilizer and so ba na ya tackle another farmers but here the two na expire then a waste on the public purse maybe because some of these things yeah, because me no obi enu a obi yi ni butum sika o salary month na wati bi e de akoto ade ato na watimi aye hwan ha ama ade no expire na abaye waste unye hu se ade no expiring date ye du okura no unni use for eno kura na o de be ma obi foforo ama wo use ade no enti ye be stress ade no going forward no e wo say ye make sure say aban eja pade no ye nya baby a ye be keep a enim so obi a be nya access but coordinating director fie there enji say coordinating director niwo say bi emergency bi aba
87.9 Kumasi
ekwo baby a ye be na hia de na ye be na access sanoma enti in as much as say e wo say omunso no mrantie no omunya abotre because me gidi ye say we na account na oral team ne buy wo information say obi afa aban eja pade whether legally or illegally na wo dey wo suspicion bi o ha wo bo omomodi a me gidi say omonzo betu ana mo na sa na mo we na no yetimi retrieve efro nti me dey me take no in as much as I'm ranting right. So say sometimes some of these things
87.9
yeah
but so omo ko no omo the police for na ya ko secure no ma no e dey akoto baby a eni dey
I'm some the police call right me that Ibrahim thank you Ebanzinkum
Sir John.
Yes, Mamenjo will take on that.
You, me that say, TH4. Sir John, no crepe woman say, uti asemwa, ye fwase assemblyman no.
Yes,
Kubriso. No. Yes, Kubriso assemblyman ne kayena. Or just say, minim omo the size of their warehouse. Intimi jana semno so na media kasa. Or say warehouse no iswa, and ye may buy no so. It at a point in time there was a coordinating director. 87.9 Kumasi. Sir John, no kwasem say assembly no resolve ye say baby eduni nyina after say a chene man ewie no de aka no. Ye nyina ye gitum say enko coordinating director fie dia. Na niam na nyirai.
O say PM ne ka kire omo say nti omanya resolution say bia omo nyina transfer
PM no gina hwan
assembly meeting there be
okay presiding member ni gina hwan ya na emu
so on
absolutely but the reality is that
if you are take a decision without recourse to the assembly no
that is what we need to find out.
I say Akoma FM 87 say general assembly meeting na omo records say minutes say omo agree as an assembly say cause there be PM na catch omo say we na see decision ma taking
ye wo each constituency ye wo 276 constituencies e my Ghana right each constituency be our representative e parliament omo gya na mu e hyemra it take a decision. Decision bia no mu take your parliament no omo inform constituency member bia.
But here
no what I want to establish is that no what I want to establish is that
analysis about him there is to be a speaker of parliament.
No I'm coming.
Okay.
What I want to establish is that in every institution your heads your management in your decision be your consulting sometimes be your decision be your e ho akohia say e was yetimi eye nentam now you take responsibility for that
yeah me yeah
now you take responsibility for that
it will lead that you're using me in this case PM now PM asem na
making
but management there
you can
management
stand.
That's why ABI ye wo some committees say wo meba ye wo committees be e wo assembly ho if say PM committee decision and no matter here
do we know do we know about that
no but
committee
fairly assembly member no assembly member na
the committee assembly
assembly member no and pay or defended the course no the busan say a collective decision from the assembly as in general assembly meeting
but you never mention committee
member or say 87.9 PM no and a catcher almost say there is no you need minutes you to me refer to any document that just say a decision you are taking official
in leadership no a leader can take a decision within a split seconds and be solely responsible for that particular decision a year you take credit for that a year you take the blame or the passion there a hamene say you know kwasem pa say you keep fertilizer was say you did ma 87.9 and ada ho chede then somebody must account for that also be answer for that and only that these are some of the decisions but we can also commend and ask betimi abo district coordinating director and that of the PM about to say e bia ne ma na anyira won say mudin common eku PM say ekoba so mo take inventory na say niema no kwasem no say anko babia pepe anko babia at the point in time na bia hwaye ma pe de kobri so assembly man ne kan no warehouse why man tie nya babia mfa go to say keep no baby and listen oma could keep no political figure bia na say bia head no either the MCE or the MP if he could keep the district coordinating director if he or the municipal coordinating director fee, and I want to believe saying right now dear anamo I'm ranting 2 years no minim intel omo peke ye but to some extent to some extent ibia anka amwa senke bi omo de ma oral team no send His Excellency the President of the Republic ne kan say obi an hot ade bi a wo yi bia na o information bi say bibi boni bi ekoso a report it to the oral team ibi an komo anamontu ometu enu ye baako. Secondly ibi an committee me ato omo bo na the next MC it take over office you are wa probe into it. Somebody can be prosecuted say we say obi say ampa say obi awie bia koku ba bia nipa kro no can be prosecuted at the SC wontimi nkoka nche bi say ko base bibia ira wontimi wana akoble mu no because already what find name na free what empower with the evidence it wana akoble mu say de na ira it afin say omo pre omo hododo na onim Sir John ye wo papa bi ye frɛ no Oponchichiku no ye district chief executive for a year
Afija Kwabre that time na Afija Kwabre
Oponchichiku ye dean of MMDCE from 2009 to time wa NDC exited power because no or several 8 years no a dean for all the MMDCs across the Ashanti region. Oponchichiku never had issues. One, an appointment after seeing nominating through to our appointment, and even as district chief executive, he was always performing. Do you know why? Coordination and cooperation. Unfortunately, your system no acquire say senka nana dodanko ekufu adu timidi ni bocheso. His Excellency udimidi ni bocheso. Enanka bianka district chief executives and MMDCs ye electi omsedi ye no ye electi MPs ni other staff na ebianka assemble any ho. But me no kas any. Say Nana Kwesi Verten Ekleo na President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and so nominate the biggest hurdle assembly ho. That's the biggest hurdle. And the more reason why I was say nipa be very careful, especially in the Ashanti region. We say other regions no name slow. Ora usani manema no ne yekwa wi ne enkoso. But Ashanti region unfortunately is the stronghold of the opposition party. And most of the assembly members we be to say aswase de emuomre wo ho na kopa MC emra ma because you have the majority of the people being to say be omo pewasem.
Okay.
But being NDC. But Okoba be to say Atwima Kwawonma, the majority of the assembly members there are MPP people.
All right.
It is a Kobasi Ebodin. Na say almost started say we could make reference na ba na be yi we na be yi mbe di amount the mbe di amount no e be kwa wie say bia senka anka ordinary oni o ma ye nua no mo we dey nyese afi ne be twene mum tentan o man kan ko ni hia ntie fa ne man to nchen na ye nko yanim so that's here.
All right.
Afi afi ne kwa ko wie chi say afi o say ko pesi kakese na dey ko convince you
nti we futu wana de ma
o me de ma NDC executive no
87.9
omo man ma enya jo na o man panyi oni type His Excellency the President ni type so they say etina wo yi ni crofon 10 so bo mitumi aboa no
right
na wo timi di o man na
thank you me twa me ho abasisia entwe me ba me ju take na